Contixo F24 Pro drone with camera for adults. 4K UHD foldable remote control quadcopter. GPS return home. FPV camera compatible with VR. 30 minutes flight time. Foldable brushless motor with carrying case. Hi, welcome my friend. 4K UHD drone with camera. 90 degrees vertical adjustable experience. Amazing 4K drone, UHD picture quality, and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors. The camera with 120 degrees field of vision lens gives a broad view of the memorable moments. Stronger and stable GPS signal. The camera drone can reach live video and image transmission distance up to 1,700 feet. With stronger GPS positioning, it can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. Smart and powerful performance. Follow me, orbit mode, and gesture control. Free your hands to take ideal selfies, point of interest, or tap to fly. You can fly it in a directed or custom path using up to 16 waypoints. 30 minutes flight time, equipped with upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery, provides up to 30 minutes flight time. The package comes with one battery. You can extend your flight time to 60 minutes, 30 plus 30. Carrying case is included. Easy to fly drones for kids 8 to 12 years old, even perfect 4K drones for camera with camera for adults. To get the product, you can click the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.